IoT is emerging in our daily lives. It's emerging in hospitals, it's emerging in your home, it's emerging in car, it's emerging in your business. It's gonna be everywhere. Billions and billions of devices will be equipped with IoT in order to facilitate communication, intelligent control, to facilitate smart world. Security threats are divided into two categories. One is physical security or physical layer security, and network layer security, which is also called cyber security. AI specifically can help finding and realizing and predicting that some communication is not a real communication or intended communication. It is an attack. It is an attack that's created by either a physical layer entity such as jammers, or through software level or cyber security level. Involves data science, involves behavior extraction, involves pattern extraction, feature extraction, involve machine learning, deep learning components, which brings basically AI into the world of IoT security.